For the BTEC subject, the third unit, the fourth module is structure of electric power system. An electric power system, which is also called as grid, which comprises generation, transmission, as well as distribution components. All the three are working together to supply electricity to consumers. The structure of electric power generation system will be looking like in this diagram. The first one is generating station with 11 kV, which is stepped up into the voltage is increased by means of step of transformer. The 11 kilovolt is increased into 220 kV. This is the primary transmission. Now the voltage is in high voltage. Then it is given to some receiving station. Again, in the receiving station, the voltage is reduced to 33 kV from 220 kV by means of some step-down transformers. This is called a secondary transmission. The secondary transmission is done by means of meters. Then which is given to the substation. In the substation, again it is a step down into 6.6 kilovolt from 33 kilovolt. This voltage is given to large bulk loads like factories as well as industries. This is called as primary distribution. Again, which is distributed to the distribution substation. And the 6.6 kilovolt is again reduced to 400 volt or 230 volt. This is called a secondary distribution. Uh, After the secondary distribution, which is given to the consumers as well as distributors as well as salesmen. So the structure is represented in one more diagram from the power plant. The 12 kV is given step transformer, which is increased to 100 kV. This is called as high voltage transmission lines. Again, it is given reduced by means of step transformer at the substation. Is normally the 13 volt. Again, by means of 100 it is reduced to 40 volt. Uh, this voltage is 230 or 240 volts given to the consumers as well as for household appliances. The first portion in the power system is generation, and the generation is consists of three major components: power plants, generators, and transformers. What is meant by power plants? These facilities convert primary energy sources like fossil fuels, nuclear energy, or renewable sources into electric energy. The second component is generators. These are rotating machines which convert mechanical energy to electric energy. Transformers. In the generation side, we are using step-up transformers, which are used to increase the voltage of the generated electricity for its efficient transmission over long distances. The generating station diagram is represented here. The energy from of any of the sources is given to prime mover, which is given to the alternator. The second major component is transmission. In transmission, consist of high voltage transmission lines as well as substation. In high voltage transmission lines are typically overhead or underground cables which carry electricity from power plants to substations at a high voltages. What are meant by substations? Feature contains transformers or they step down the voltage for distribution to local areas and also house other equipments like circuit breakers and the protection. The third major component is distribution. It consists of distribution lines, distribution transformers, and the consumers. These lines, often at lower voltages than transmission lines, which can carry electricity from substation to consumers. Second one, distribution transformers. These are step-down transformers, which reduces the voltage to is needed for the homes as well as business. Third one is consumers. These includes residential, commercial, and industrial uses of electricity. The schematic diagram represents the steam station. Um, this is the uh, type of power station which is used to generate the electricity.